here. Just wanted to show you the progress on my spare bedroom. I'm going to do as a craft room. And let's enter this room. And it's a work in progress, so please understand I'm still trying to organize. This is a small room, so I have all kinds of stuff that I need to put away. I have this cart here that I can use. Behind my tapestry here against the wall is my big huge cardboard like Tolly has, that has my drawings in it, my unfinished drawings and finished drawings. So let's just go along the wall. Here I have my drills that go to my drawings, and then underneath here are art dot drills that are in baggies, so when I need them I can just pull out the box and go for it. This is a diamond painting that I was working on that was Dreamer's designed. I put it away because it was irritating me. This here is my temperature chart that I'm working on, and down here I got some stuff organized. I got a light pad down there, I got my Add More Zest tote bag down there, some empty Elizabeth Wards, my baby's bed, a drafting table. This is the temperature chart that I am working on. Here's a sneak peek at what I finished so far for January. And underneath is a drawing that I was working on that I put it away. Let's see if I can show you. It is, of course, a lighthouse, but it's been irritating me, so I'm taking a break. And like I said, I got a big old mess going on here. Pictures of my kids when they were little, a diamond painting, an art dot, the kit that had, I think, got 12 pack that I haven't did nothing with, cart that's all messed up that I need to organize. Same thing here. I got some stuff organized, some stuff I don't. I have matching shelves. Here's one of them. It's got a cabinet down there with 2 shelves and then the 3 shelves. These are drawings that I have not kitted up or I have not taken out and put away to flatten them out. That's what that cardboard thing is that Tolly showed you. If you don't want to leave them like this, which I probably won't, because as you see I don't have a lot of room. Art dot drills. That is kitted up with art dot drills for heaven and earth. I don't even know what's all up there. That's why I'm working on it. This is my big cabinet with the table. So let me work around here so I can show it to you. Somewhat organized. There is my table. That does all slide in. Closed cabinet. I got a sewing machine under there and craft stuff. Let's move my chair in. And then over on this side, the exact same cabinet. I actually got these shelves a little bit more organized and stuff like that. More art dot drills, Christmas canvas back there, and toys. And then I have a little tiny shelf here that has some stuff on it. Like I said, I'm just starting to figure this out. Well, my daughter, my son, both of my sons, my nephews, and my niece, when they were all little, they don't look like that now. And these are all my pens, spare tips and stuff like that. Don't mind that bag. And yeah, that's my spare bedroom that I'm trying to make into a craft room. And it is not very big at all. It is a big work in progress. Hopefully it won't take me that long. And then if we walk out into the hallway, you can see more pictures, more diamond paintings. And then this is my work area where I usually work. The spare bedroom is for kitten up, kitten down videos. So this here is actually a puzzle table that fits a 2,000 piece puzzle. So it has 2 drawers like this on each side, which helps out because right there is my pens. As you see, I got Sag, my new ones for Christmas, drills that I couldn't kit up. My drawing that I will be working on starting on February 1st is a Heaven and Earth drawing, and I have all kitted up and ready to go. I work out of these trays. Let me move my chair so you can see. There is 99 trays there. I didn't get up all 99. I think there's only 86 colors. These are Elizabeth Ward's that are kitted up with for my drawings, but I haven't got to those yet. And in the drawers over there are spare drills that are from Diamond USA. And yeah, that's my work area in the living room and my work area in the craft room. So thanks for joining me tonight, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.